Wow, I almost died.
Holy shit. Oh my. Look at his face.
Got the whole gang here and we packing a lip. Got all the hoes here and we packing a lip. Before we get much further, today's video is brought to you by Manscaped.com, baby. The global men's lifestyle brand that is revolutionizing the landscape of men's grooming. And look at this, the Manscaped Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra in forged gold. We're in the golden era of precision and luxury and performance. And it can make your trimming routine a statement of sophistication and style. There are limited quantities available in this colorway, so you gotta act fast if you want this one. Let's check it out.
With precision like never before with the next-gen dual skin-safe blade heads.
Designed for flawless performance.
The trimmer blade has longer, wider, and rounded teeth that cut through hair with ease.
You start with the trimmer blade, and then you finish things up with the foil blade.
The foil blade is designed to leave you with a finish that's irresistibly sleek and utterly bare.
And the Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra Gold isn't just about luxury, it's about functionality.
Manscaped has upgraded their LED light
to illuminate even the trickiest spots, and it's designed to flatter a variety of skin tones. It also has two buttons, the power button and the bottom button, which is for travel lock and the LED light. This thing has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery for top-notch RPM technology performance, USB-C charging, and a comprehensive 3-level life battery indicator. And this thing's waterproof, making easy cleanup. So what the hell are you waiting for?
Join the over 10 million men worldwide who trust Manscaped for all their grooming needs.
And step into the golden era with the Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra Gold. Go over to Manscaped.com and seize your Forged Gold Edition now using promo code SOUPP to get 20% off and free international shipping at checkout. That's code SOUPP for 20% off and free international shipping. Manscaped.com. Thank you for sponsoring. Enjoy the video. Welcome back, everyone. We're back.
I need the good forecast.
Tonight. Hold my brow.
I'm down 4 feet from the ledge, but I be singing.
I'm 6 feet from the edge and I'm edging.
Welcome in. Good to see you.
Oh my God, her fucking eyes. I need some black water and hail.
Where does it hail like this?
I bet that pool is fine.
Ahora!
It's on me.
Agreed.
Biscuit gravy. Biscuit and gravy.
Not a moose.
Shoot that motherfucker with a rifle. Shoot that motherfucker in the head. Someone fucking died. Understand? Someone just fucking died. I need a blue shirt and a rat.
Stairfall.
That's what you get for making us act like rats on a wheel.
Uh-huh.
How did they recover that footage is what I'd like to know.
I don't know. They dove in.
They brought in a magma drone.
They waited 200 years. That's old footage. He wanted to play soccer.
Just want to say, if you guys are watching this in some shitty weather, just know you might die. You're never safe. So stay alert.
Oh my God.
Stay alert. A tree could be uprooted, and then the Kraken's coming.
And you'll be dragged up on the rock.
You could be enjoying a nice stroll, and then boom! You're in the face of God, motherfucker! Stay alert!
It's the truth.
You're taking out the trash, and the waste gets managed.
Exit the premises now. Holy shit.
Time to go home. I need a fish corpse in a bucket. What is making that happen, dude? Were they on a boat?
Yeah. They were listing.
I mean, two birds, one stone. You can take a share and you wide your card. Once again, let's go.
Blowing everything our way.
Hell fucking
Goodbye. Look at all those boats.
yeah. Goodbye, money.
Wow.
That's when you just have to say
It's
goodbye.
no good.
Goodbye, money. Goodbye, money. It
I
was
thought
nice
a boat
knowing you.
it could float in the air.
Goodbye, money. It was nice knowing you.
Boats can float, bro.
Fuck yeah, dude. Luxury. Luxury.
A life of luxury.
Now, how is that happening?
Angry.
Uh-huh.
You know,
I need to go-
you know why that's happening? The furniture removers are out there with their big sucker.
I need to go get my chair.
They're getting their stolen furniture back.
I need to go pick my chair up. It's 7 blocks away.
Coming quick.
As above, so below.
Whoa. That's pretty good.
Thing is huge.
Eat that motherfucker. Oh! Now the Hardy shirt goes
All right.
kind of stupid.
That got me. I like having dinner in the mechanic shop.
Hardy's shirt goes kind of stupid.
He's an all-star. He's got the all-star special. Well, there goes dinner. Huh.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude.
It's moving. Oh my god.
Oh!
Any questions?
Time to get out the big straw.
Oh, that's when you just take a shower. You can't take a bath, so you just hop in the
Or
shower.
you could just start pissing on your own floor. You could piss in places that you thought you'd like to piss, but then piss there on them anyway.
That's true.
Basically, just piss on it.
Oh, that's not nice, that one.
Very unkind.
Okay.
That's not people versus nature. That's working with it.
This is like some
They better be paying him good.
ancestral knowledge.
That's
That
AAA
is
in Uganda.
This is bestowed ancestral knowledge and wisdom that's been passed down.
When your Kia Forte is in the mud, you will hire the bull. You will hire the oxen.
Hell yeah, dude. That's my car pulling cow, man. Mary Poppins ass motherfucker.
I hope somebody was in one of those.
At times life is wicked and I just can't see the light.
Join the Bush Club.
Not bad.
Oh my god, Sean! Sean, no!
You gonna get that ass beat, boy.
Sean! Sean, I will kill you. How do they know to record that?
Oh, he's so pretty! Sonny! Sonny! Sonny just swallowed the turtle!
Turtle soup?
Oh my
In his defense, that thing did look
Oh, yeah.
decadent.
Looked like a little fucking eclair. Just swimming
Escargot.
swimming on up to me tummy.
He wanted that escargot.
The snapping turtle.
Snapping turtle.
A romantic evening.
Ye shan't be doing that. you doing? What are you doing?
Thank
Something
you
ain't
for
right.
the 1,000 beans.
Can't put my finger on it, but something ain't right.
Somewhere over the rainbow. Oh my God.
Beautiful. Huh.
Now this right here is fucking genius. That's just a fucking genius.
Is anyone in there? Are we watching someone die?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I guess I'm getting a new one.
Get back here.
Speedy.
Hey, get back here.
Speedy. Smack that motherfucker. Holy shit.
It's actually incredible.
Whoa. Dude.
It's incredible.
I ain't know they could do all that now. I ain't know that. I gotta see that again. You are a sexy beast.
You rat bastard.
Would you like one of these before we watch the rat jump up the wall again?
Rat bastard.
Boom, boom, boom. And he's out. Crazy.
That looks gorgeous.
Absolutely the fuck not. Nope. That is when I will pull out the fire. The fire. That's when you get a fucking grenade. And you go. That's what you do.
That's actually absurd.
I don't care that they're not poisonous. They will die.
Throw a Molotov in there.
They will fucking die.
Ooh, he said, ooh. Great idea, man. What made you think of that?
Yeah, old danger noodles. Thank you for the beans. Don't. Don't. Don't.
He's like, I wanted it over there anyways. Grasshopper.
Young grasshopper. Oh, nematodes. Yeah, you look a little close. Just a little close.
Yeah, we got some coming down.
You jog off. I'm gonna jog on out of here. Welcome outside. It's very nice out here.
What the
Come here.
Smart.
Come here. Come here.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Bear down.
Louisville Slugger to both headlights.
Come here, bear.
Come here, bear.
You will die. Smack that motherfucker. Slap his arse.
Uh-huh.
The conditions today?
I can't hear you.
How are the conditions today?
Oh, they're really good. I'm about to go get some waves.
How are the conditions today? Did you fucking see that?
Hell yeah.
It's badass.
Now that don't look like it's supposed to happen. Fuck yeah.
Little League Twister. Man the horn!
Button down the hatches.
Get onto the poop deck.
Oh yeah, mama. Isn't that tripod good? Tasty tripod.
Wow, that's crazy.
What's crazy about that?
That thing was waiting to see if he fell.
That's not crazy. He wanted to taste the
He was
tripod.
almost Gator Nuggets.
He wanted to taste the tripod.
Look at him, he's like, fall down, fall down. Trip and fall. Trip and fall. Have a little slip.
I dare ya.
Take a little spill.
I dare you to lay down real quick.
Do me a favor.
Lay down.
Take a little spill.
Lay down now.
Trip and just fall right over here. Take a little spill.
Swamp puppy.
You're tired, lie down.
Time for a nap, huh? You really go for a little nap.
Take a little spill for me. I'll show you a good time.
Gator wants his nuts.
Kick its nose, yeah. See, if you see a gator, you just want to kick its nose. You get out of there.
I don't know what you guys have going on, but this is my house. And
Your house is a car.
oh my god.
Okay, I'm sorry. I want to hear that.
Fuck it.
That sounded like fucking war, like... That sounded like a war zone.
It's a badass metal intro.
This is my house. It is Toyota. My house is Camry.
Nature is metal.
Not the Bradford pear. Huh. That's actually insane. Can you imagine just being on the water for that?
No. Let's drive towards it.
Put that on a crack-a-dood. Just a little dollop.
Little honey dip.
It ain't real. Don't worry, it ain't real. I would definitely go jump on that bridge.
You gotta ride that thing.
Yeah.
Put that on our cracker.
All these people just driving towards it. I gotta get home by 9.
I like it.
Hing-a-ding-durgan.
Everything's really flying around.
I'm a big fan of this video. Wow, I almost died!
Holy shit.
It's a baleen whale, don't worry.
Oh my fucking, look at his face. Oh my fucking god. Woo!
They were just kissing.
Life's as extreme as you want to make it.
What was that?
These people gotta get moving.
Look at the falling out of the sky. That's what that is. I was like, Look at it, honey.
We're going to head north.
Freaking from the thing, it's pulling them up in the air.
Alright, we're going to be heading north.
I saw big trees falling.
That water spout.
Pra fora, bicho burro.
He's a sweet little boy.
This
He
is
wants-
my pet turtle.
He wants a little kiss. Give him a kiss. Give him a little kiss.
Put that on a cracker.
Susto! Ele quer entrar de qualquer jeito.
I would fucking hammer time that thing.
Hell yeah. The Tower of Babel.
Get out of there.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah, boy.
That's insane. That's actually insane. I love it starts out over there. Let's ignore the Cat 5. The F7.
Jumanji is what is being said.
He's singing. He wants to hear. You gotta hear his song. Margaritaville. Sport mode.
Croc gang.
The rain in New York City. You cannot get off the train. Look at this. Oh my God.
Wow. Just guys being dudes.
The London bag race. My cock don't pee.
That's a smart feller.
Hell yeah.
Coming around, coming around. It's coming this way. Okay, back, just get the pedal.
You're in a fucking wooden canoe.
It's
Wooden
time
canoe
to die.
versus dinosaur.
You better get ready to fight, baby.
This is my garage. Front door, as you can see.
I like your
The
house.
fucking Michelin Man blow up and die? What the fuck is that?
It's soap. I would just leave the garage open like that.
Gillette, the best of man.
Indubitably, the garage.
He's going in for the kill, homeboy. There he comes. I'm gonna run his ass over.
Good idea. That's what I would do too.
A dance recital.
This is a mating ritual.
Look at the shark, bro. Look at the shark. Look at the shark coming in. Look at the shark. Look at the shark. He's on you, dude. He's on you, dude. He's on you. Oh, man. Look at. Oh, my gosh. Oh! Holy smokes, dude. Did you see that?
No? Did you? He's like, do me a favor and get the fuck out of here.
Just a little
Mayday,
kiss.
mayday!
Just a little kiss.
Mayday, mayday! Elephant attack!
Water, Whitchurch, / Rory Griffiths, / water. Flat out, Massey. Oh, I get wet here.
Can you speak any English? Amen.
Hell yeah, brother.
Now that's how you do it.
I love it.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
I've been drinking off Creek all day, and now I'm shit-faced. I've been drinking off Creek all day, and now I'm fucking shit-faced. I've been drinking Miller Lite all day, 25 ounce beer.
Holy shit.